So we're here to shoot this leak detection training video, and it's mostly about comparing it to any other in the industry. On the swimming pool side of the industry, as well as the plumbing and everything else, you can't compare this to a classroom type deal. We used to actually have a course, a pool with 15 controlled leaks, and after COVID, we literally shut it down. And the reason is because we're able to teach you in our online leak detection course so much more than we were actually able to teach you at one concrete pool that we have out here. In our course, we go over fiberglass pools, we go over vinyl liner pools. We're taking you out on these job sites to really get your head in the game and what it's actually like on these case studies. You can't learn this in a barrel, in a classroom, in a kiddie pool, or a vinyl liner in a classroom. It's just absolutely impossible. And again, aside from the business practices, the contracts, and everything else that's really important that goes along with the online training that we do, again, you can't learn this by holding a pool scope in a barrel. It just doesn't work. Again, these are real live demonstrations, and we're letting you hear these actual sounds. It took us almost 2 years to shoot this online course on the swimming pool side, and it really shows. So aside from the course, we also stand behind our work with technical support. You're out on a job site, you have a problem, whether it's equipment, whether you just can't find the leak. We're here to help. We have bilingual guys. If your guys speak Spanish, they could talk Spanish to our technical support. We have anything that we can to help with the technical end of doing leak detections. For more information, visit LeakTronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.